Datalore allows you to work with all kinds of files inside of your notebook. You can go over to attached files and see what files you're working with. You can drag and drop in any kind of CSV or any file for that matter and have that uploaded automatically. Any files generated from your notebook will also show up in this space. Another cool feature is workspace files. Moving a file into your workspace means that you can share these files between notebooks, and you can have access to them between notebooks. Another nifty feature with Datalore is that you can also add other sources of data. In this example, we can add an S3 bucket if we wanted to this particular notebook as well. We would have access to it as if it were part of our file system. In Datalore, if you want to gain access to any of the files in your attached files, you can just refer to them in your strings. We can see that gpus.csv shows up as a code completion option. With workspace files, however, you will need to copy the path from the clipboard. In this example, I can right-click on context.csv, get the path, paste it, and it becomes available to me.